This 1935 Aston Martin MK2 Four-Seater is a car of supreme refinement in its performance and sportive road manners. It handles with that comfortable sense of control and responsiveness, which is so greatly desired but so rarely found in a pre-war car. Just after the war, a larger Ulster-style fuel tank was fitted, making a handsome and distinguished motorcar. Something you won't see often is a car that's been in one family for 50 years. The car has benefited from extended maintenance and servicing, including a full engine rebuild, whilst retaining its beautiful original patina. The car we offer here has been part of the owner's identity and a good friend to him and his family. So if you're up for a journey as the new custodian of this beautiful Aston Martin MK2, you'll be in for a great treat, as this is a driver's car that will start on the button and sweep you off your feet with the bark of its stainless exhaust. Interested to know more? Historic Competition Services are looking forward to hearing from you.